Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. It's totally free. Hello, welcome to Jury Central online classes for law exams. So today we will be dealing with DU LLM solved question paper of year 2016. So far we have dealt with the last 3-year question papers, and today we will be dealing with the 4th year question paper, which is of the year 2016. So now we have dealt only with a total number of questions, which is 100, but today we will be dealing with a total number of questions which are 175. So before starting the session, I would request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. So let's start the session with our first question. Primary responsibility for maintenance of international peace and security is vested with thee. The correct option is option number C, that is United Nations Security Council, and it is given under Article 24 of the UN Charter. Question number 2. An international act by which a state establishes its consent to be bound by a treaty on the international plane is known as. The correct option is option number A, which is ratification. Let's see the meaning of just cogence, which means the principles which form the norms of international law that cannot be set aside. Question number 3. Article 253 of the Indian Constitution refers to. So it refers to treaty implementation. Question number 4. On partition dash continued a UN member state. So the correct option is option number A, which is India. Question number 5. Which of the following deals with the immunity of state from the jurisdiction of foreign courts? The correct option is option number C, which is UN Convention on Jurisdictional Immunities, Act 2004, and this is given under Article 5 of the Convention. Question number 6. Sources of international law are provided in the. The correct option is option number B, Statute of the ICJ. Question number 7. The dispute settlement body established by UN Convention on Law of the Sea 1982 is known as. The correct option is option number B, International Tribunal for Law of the Sea. Question number 8. Article 51 of the UN Charter refers to. So it refers to option number C, which is individual or collective self-defense. A group of people fearing persecution leaves the country of origin is known as. They are known as refugees, and this is the definition given under UNHCR. Amendment in the UN Charter raising the number of membership in Security Council was made in. So according to answer key, the answer is 1963, but according to my research, what I found, it's 1965, which is not given in the option itself. So I have also mentioned the explanation of why do I think that the answer is 1965. So expansion of the UN Security Council from 11 to 15 members with the super majority required for action being increased from 7 to 9 votes. So this text I have taken from the website of UNO. You are also feel free to cross-check the facts. Question number 11. A accesses the email of B unauthorizedly by cracking password and further uses B's email to send message to B's uncle, pretending that the message is sent by B. Request for depositing 30,000 rupees in the account number given in the email, as his cash has been stolen and he has to urgently deposit the college fees. A commits contravention / offense under which sections of the IT Act 2000? The correct option is option number A. These are sections 43A, 66C and 66D. Section 43A deals with compensation for failure to protect data. Section 66C, punishment for identity theft. Section 66D, punishment for cheating by personation by using computer source. And section 67 deals with punishment for publishing or transmitting obscene material in electronic form. So I have mentioned all these sections which is given in the option and what this section actually deals with under IT Act 2000. Question number 12. The digital signature authenticates the electronic record by use of. The correct option is option number B, asymmetric crypto system, and this is given under section 2F. Section 2 clause F deals with the definition of asymmetric crypto system. Question number 13. When a minor becomes a partner or attaining majority, his liability commences from. So the correct option is option number A, the date of his admission to benefits of the partnership firm. And this is given under section 30 of Partnership Act. Question number 14. The liability by holding out in case of retiring partner continues up to the. So the correct option is continues up to the date of public notice about such retirement, and this is given under section 32 of Partnership Act, which deals with retirement of a partner, and this is given under clause 3 of section 32. Question number 15. Price under the Sale of Goods Act 1930 means. So the correct option is A. Option number A, consideration in money, and this definition is given under section 2 clause 10 of Sales of Goods Act. Question number 16. Unless it is specifically provided in a contract of sale, which of the following will not be regarded as essence of the contract for sale? So the correct option is option number C, any act or abstention for the sale of the goods. I know I am going a little fast, but I have to cover total number of questions, which is 175. So I really apologize for my fast speed, but I am very much sure that you would understand my compulsions. Question number 17. The full faith and credit clause in the Constitution deals with. So the correct option is option number D, none of the above, because Article 261 of Indian Constitution deals with public acts, records and judicial proceedings, and none in the option is given under Article 261. Question number 18. Epistolary jurisdiction of the Supreme Court deals with. The correct option is A, which is letter petitions. 19. The test of direct and inevitable effect is used to determine. So the correct option is option number C, infringement of fundamental rights, and this test has been evolved in the case of R.C. Cooper versus Union of India, also famously known as bank nationalization case. 20. Article 20 clause 3 states that no person accused of an offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. This applies in the case of. So the correct option is option number A, narco-analysis, and this is held in the case of Selvi versus State of Karnataka. 21. Religious freedom is guaranteed in the Indian Constitution is subject to. So the correct option is option number D, all of this. It is subject to public order, morality, other fundamental rights, and this is given under Article 25 of Indian Constitution, which deals with freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Question number 22. Freedom of speech and expression may be subject to reasonable restrictions imposed by law on the ground of. The correct option is option number B, contempt of court. Question number 23. Laws on preservation, protection and improvement of livestock are enacted by the. So the correct option is option number B, states, and this is an item number 15 given under Schedule 2 of the Constitution. Question number 24. Which one of the following is an incorrect match? So the correct option is C, industrial and labor dispute, which is given under union list, but the option is totally wrong, as the subject of industrial and labor dispute is given under concurrent list, and it is given at item number 22. Question number 25. Which of the following is not correct? President shall have the power to grant pardon. The correct option is option number D, in cases where the punishment or sentence is for an offence against any law on a matter where the state executive power extends. So Article 72 of the Constitution deals with power of President to grant pardons, etc., and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. This option is wrong, as it is not one of the power which is mentioned under Article 72. Question number 26. By which constitutional amendment was the voting age brought down from 21 to 18? The correct option is option number B, 61st Constitutional Amendment of 1988. This is given under Article 326, which deals with elections to the House of the People and to the legislative assemblies of states to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Question number 27. What among the following is not a power or function of the Speaker of Lok Sabha? So the correct option, option number C, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha must resign from the membership of his party after being elected as a Speaker. The power of the Lok Sabha Speaker is given under Article 189, which deals with voting in houses, power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. Article 110, definition of money bill. Which article states that the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state? The correct option is option number A, which is Article 164. This is given under Article 164 clause 2, which deals with other provisions as to ministers. Article 174 deals with sessions of the state legislature, prorogation and dissolution. Article 184 deals with power of the deputy chairman or other person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as chairman. Article 194 deals with powers, privileges, etc. of the House of Legislatures and of the members and committees thereof. Question number 29. The NJAC Act was declared as unconstitutional in. The correct option is option number D, Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association versus Union of India. 30. In which of the following cases the notification of 4th March 2014 regarding Jat reservation was set aside? The correct option is option number A, Ram Singh versus Union of India. In Indira Sahni versus Union of India, it was a case decided by a 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court in 1992, and this case is famous for decisively laying down several landmark propositions such as 50% threshold in reservations, the bar against reservations in certain types of posts, the exclusion of creamy layer. You all very well know about this case. 31. Harish Chandra Singh Rawat versus Union of India deals with option number A, promulgation of President rule in the state of Uttarakhand. Question number 32. The constitutional protection in Article 21, which protects the rights of the person for a fair trial, is in law a valid restriction operating on the right to free speech under Article 19 clause 1 subclause A, by virtue of force of it being constitutional provision. In which of the following cases the aforesaid observation was made by Supreme Court? So the correct option is option number A, Sahara India Real Estate versus SEBI. 33. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court struck down, sorry about the typo error, kindly correct yourself, the truck to struck. Section 66A of the IT Act 2000. So the correct option is option number C, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Circle Paper Private Limited versus Union of India deals with right to freedom of speech. S. Khushbu versus Kannai Mal. It is actually related to defamation. Question number 34. Which of the following is not correct about the 93rd Constitutional Amendment by which Article 15 clause 5 was inserted in the Constitution? The correct option is option number D, which is this provision applies to all educational institutions including minority institutions. This is not correct, as Article 15 clause 5 doesn't apply to the institutions which is established under Article 13. 35. State may create a monopoly, complete or partial, with respect to. The correct option is option number C, which is Article 19 clause 1 clause G. And this is an embargo which state can actually impose under Article 19 clause 6. 36. The Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act 2013 is to ensure. So they are actually asking what is the object of this act. So the correct option is option number D, all of the above. The dignity of the individual, one of the goals in the preamble. Right to live with dignity implicit in the fundamental rights. Protection of the weaker sections from social injustice and all forms of exploitation as provided in Article 46. 37. Article 39 Clause B and Clause C directs the state policies to secure the following. Actually, the options are So actually, the options, this question is actually wrong. The correct answer is given A and B, but which is not true. I'm sorry. Again, I apologize for my mistake. I hope you understand that while solving this lengthy question papers, people do commit mistakes. So I hope you would ignore this mistake. The correct option is totally correct, which I have mentioned. That is option number A and B. Kindly ignore the wrong questions which I have mentioned in red. So the correct option is option number A and B. Operation of the economic system doesn't result in the concentration of wealth and means of production to the common detriment. And ownership and control of the material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good. So the correct option which I have mentioned is totally correct. The question is not wrong. I apologize for a mistake. Question number 38. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court established the relationship between Articles 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution? So the correct option is option number C, which is Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. The case deals with right to life. You all very well know about this case. R.C. Cooper versus Union of India. This is a very famous case, which is also known as back nationalization case. A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras. This is a case of preventive detention. 39. The definition of state under Article 12 of the Constitution is. The correct option is, it is implied to Part 3 unless the context otherwise requires. So the correct option is option number A. Question number 14. Article 16 Clause 4 refers to. So the correct option is option number B, adequate representation. Article 16 deals with equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. 41. Which of the following is correct about reservations in public employment? The correct option is option number B. Backward classes can be divided into backward and more backward categories. 42. Advice by the Council of Ministers to the President is. So the correct option is, it is excluded from judicial review, and this is mentioned under Article 74 Clause 2. 43. Corporation aggregate means. It means the correct option is option number D, an incorporated group of coexisting persons. 44. A right which has a correlative duty can be legally enforced is called a perfect right. 45. Ownership is a right indefinite in point of user, unrestricted in point of disposition, and unlimited in point of duration over a determinate thing. Was stated by. So this was stated by Austin. The correct option is option number A. 46. Which of the following is an incorrect pair according to Roscoe Pound? So the correct option is option number D. Social engineering. What Roscoe Pound hasn't said the law has its source in the general consciousness, and that is why it is totally incorrect. 47. Which of the following is an incorrect pair? So the correct option is option number B, which is W. Friedman, Law's Empire. Law's Empire was written by Ronald Dworkin, and all the options are correct. 48. Which of the following is incorrect? So according to Alan Buchanan, Right is not an economic concept. This is totally incorrect. 49. Savigny's view of the law was first presented in the famous pamphlet of the vocation of our age for legislation and jurisprudence. This pamphlet was, so the correct option is option number C. It is a reaction to the proposals made by Professor A.F.J. Thibaut for the codification of the laws and customs of the German states on the basis of Roman law and Napoleonic code. 50. In order that a local custom may be valid and operative as a source of law, which of the following requirements besides antiquity are to be satisfied? So the correct option, option number D. It should be reasonableness and it must conform with statute. 51. Positive law is called positive because it is actually made by a person in authority. And the correct option is option number C. 52. The Supreme Court in State Trading Corporation of India versus Commercial Tax Officer observed that a company registered under the Companies Act 1956. The correct option is option number A. It is legal person, but it cannot avail itself of fundamental rights under the Constitution available to citizen only. 53. Hans Kelsen talked about. So it talked about validity and effectiveness of norms. 54. Customs not only precede legislations but are given superior to it. Match it with one of the following. So this was said by Hugo van Savigny, which is given in option number C. 55. Just as immunity is freedom from the power of another, liberty is actually freedom from the claim of another, which is option number A. 56. I have a right to do as I please. The term right in this statement refers to. So in this statement the right refers to liberty, which is option number C. 57. Which statements below is the least likely to follow logically from Savigny's notion of a Volksgeist? So the correct option is option number C. Law is influenced hugely by religion. 58. May's famous aphorism that the movement of progressive society has hitherto been a movement from status to contract is often misunderstood in that way. So in which way it is misunderstood? That it is misinterpreted as a prediction, which is option number B. 59. If a norm is for long disregarded in practice and the courts no longer follow it in deciding cases, such a disuse of norm is called as. So such a disuse of norm is called as desuetude, which is option number A. 60. The corpus of law was classified by Austin, which is the odd one out. So the correct option is option number D, law by metaphysics. 61. Which of the following is the correlative of immunity? The correct option is option number D. The correlative of immunity is disability. 62. In jurisprudence, bracket theory is related with. So the bracket theory is related with legal personality, which is in option number C. 63. The physical element of possession is also called as. So physical element of possession is called as corpus possessionis. 64. Right duty correlation is propounded by. So right duty correlation is propounded by Hoffel. Everybody knows very well about it. 65. The following is not the essential of ownership. So what is not essential for relationship? For ownership. The correct option is option number A, which is temporal in duration. 66. Hierarchy of odds is traceable to. So it's traceable to pure theory of law, which is option number A. 67. A surgeon amputates the right hand index finger of Y, a 14-year-old beggar, with Y's consent and in good faith that this would enable Y to get more arms. In this case, the correct option is option number D. X is not exempted from criminal liability as the act done was not in good faith within the meaning of IPC. And this is given under section 81 of IPC, which deals with necessity. 68. Hazarding a dangerous or wanton act with the knowledge that it is so and that it may cause injury, but without intention to cause injury or knowledge that it will probably be caused, implies. So what it implies? The correct option is option number A, criminal rashness. And this definition is given in the judgment of Ratna Shalvan versus State of Karnataka. Which of the following is not essential for the offense of kidnapping? So intention of the accused, which is option number B, is not essential for the offense of kidnapping. 70. A bullock cart carrying a box of treasure is intercepted by A. The offense of theft is committed by A if and as soon as. The correct option is B. The bullock is made to move by him in his direction. This is an illustration which is given under section 378 of IPC, which deals with theft. 71. Z takes away a golden chain of his wife, which was given by her father as Sridhan without her consent, and pledges it to raise money for domestic use. Z is actually guilty of theft. Question number 72. Which of the following is an offense which is punishable in 4 stages? So the correct option is option number B, which is dacoity. 73. On the non-completion of investigation, that is failure of the prosecution to file charge sheet within the prescribed period of 90 or 60 days. So the correct option is option number B. The accused person shall be released on bail if he is prepared to and does furnish bail. This is given under section 167 clause 2 of CRPC, which deals with procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours. 74. An executive magistrate is empowered to grant remand under section 167 of the CRPC 1973 for a maximum period of. The correct option is option number B, 7 days, and this is given under section 167 clause 2A. 75. Under which section of the IPC the offense of trafficking of person is defined? So it is defined under section 370. Let's see about the other section. Section 362 deals with abduction. Section 370A deals with exploitation of a trafficked person. Section 363A deals with kidnapping or maiming a minor for purposes of begging. Which of the following sections of IPC deals with gang rape? So, the correct option is option number B, which is section 376D. Let's see about the other sections. Section 376A deals with intercourse by a man with his wife during separation. Section 376C deals with sexual intercourse by person in authority. Section 376E deals with punishment for repeat offenders. 77. Law Commission of India 2015 report deals with, so it deals with option number C, which is death penalty. 78. A, while leaving the examination hall as the last student, finds a watch on the floor and keeps it to himself. What offense, if any, has been committed by A? The correct option is option number D, criminal misappropriation of property. And this is given the definition, this is given under section 403, which deals with dishonest misappropriation of property. 79. The rights against self-incrimination under Article 20 clause 3 and section 161 clause 2 of CRPC was recognized by the Supreme Court in the case of, the correct option is option number C, Nandini Satpathy versus P.L. Dani. 80. The difference between section 34 and section 149 of IPC is that section 34 requires active participation, whereas section 149 is attracted when on membership of the unlawful assembly, and this is given the correct option is option number C. 81. Which of the following statements about Indian Penal Code is true? The correct option is all of this. The IPC applies to every person in any part of India for every act done or omission contrary to the provisions of the code. B. The IPC applies to any offence committed by any citizen of India within and beyond India. C. Every such act committed outside India which if committed in India would be punishable under the IPC. 82. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court applied the locus penitentiae rule? The correct option is option number B, Malkiyat Singh versus State of Punjab. So what do you mean by locus penitentiae? It is an opportunity to withdraw from an ongoing process of committing oneself to an obligation before such commitment is finalized. Like opportunity to abstain from committing an intended crime before it is too late. 83. Intoxication is an excusable defense to criminal liability if it is. The correct option is option number C, which is both A and B. If he is administered the alcohol against the will of the offender, or if the alcohol is administered without the knowledge of the offender. So intoxication doesn't only mean alcohol, it can also mean spiking the drink of a person. So this is given under section 85. Act of a person incapable of judgment by reason of intoxication caused against his will. Malice in fact means a wrongful act done intentionally. So the correct option is option number B. If it is done with evil motive, then it is known as malice in fact. 85. So match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Negligence. The correct option is Grant versus Australian Knitting Mills. The case deals with negligence. Scienti non fit injuria. So in the case of Smith versus Baker, the rule scienti non fit injuria was followed. Defamation in Tollis versus J.S. Fry and Sons. This case dealt with defamation, and Smith versus Lichbrain and Company Limited dealt with the evolved the principle of egg-shell skull rule. For the tort of defamation, the presence of malice destroys. So what it destroys? It destroys the defense of qualified privilege. 87. What one of the following statement is incorrect? So the correct option is A. An innocent principal is not liable for the fraud of his agent, which is not true. 88. The maxim des ipsa liquidator. So what it actually does? So it shifts the burden of disproving negligence on the defendant, and it is actually a rule of law. Res ipsa liquidator means thing speaks for itself. 89. The rule laid down in re polymis case is that the defendant shall be liable for all. The correct option is option number C, which is direct consequences of his act if he could foresee some damage to the plaintiff. 90. Who is the chairman of the Central Consumer Protection Council? The correct option is option number B, Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs in the central government, and this is given under section 4 of Consumer Protection Act. Section 4 of Consumer Protection Act deals with the Central Consumer Protection Council. 91. What is the tenure of the members in the District Consumer Redressal Forum? So the correct option is, here it is given in the answer key, which is wrong. This time this is wrong, I am not faking. The term of 2 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier, which is completely wrong, and this is the answer which is given in answer key. But according to section 10 clause 2, which deals with composition of the district forum, the correct option is option number A, the term of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. 92. According to the objective theory of negligence, negligence is what? Negligence is a type of conduct, which is option number B. 93. The term culpa lata and culpa levis means, correct option is option number A, gross negligence and negligence of a smaller degree. 94. For the defense of voluntary non-fit injuria, it is necessary that. So the correct option is option number A. The plaintiff, knowing that risk is there, agrees to suffer the harm. 95. In which of the following cases it is not nuisance? So in which of the following cases nuisance actually doesn't satisfy? The correct option is option number B. Washing clothes at a public tap. 96. Which measure isn't? So the correct option is option number D. Inevitable accident due to natural forces beyond human control. 97. A master's liability for the act of his servant is based. So it is based on the maximum respondent superior. Correct option will be option number C, but as per the answer key, it is given in the interest of trade and commerce. So actually the master's liability is actually based on the maximum respondent superior. 98. W, a woman, got pregnant in spite of sterilization operation. Will the doctor who performed sterilization operation be held liable on grounds of negligence? The doctor would. So the correct option number A. He would be held liable only if there is proof that he was negligent in performing sterilization. What is the basis of a duty for tort of negligence? So the correct option is option number B. Foreseeability of a reasonable man. 100. By which amendment of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 the services availed of by a person for any commercial purpose was excluded from the definition of consumer? So the correct option is option number B. By 2002 amendment. So the definition of consumer is given under section 2 clause D of Consumer Protection Act, where the commercial purpose is excluded from the definition of consumer. 101. The careless operations of railways that led to fire in the bogie standing in the platform attracted a few public-spirited rescues standing on the platform to rush in to extinguish the fire. In the course of rescue operation, a rescuer was gravely injured. Can he bring tort action against the railways? The correct option is option number B. Yes, because the dangerous situation by railways' carelessness had invited the rescuers. 102. A had constructed temporary structure on a land belonging to the municipal corporation in which he ran a flourishing restaurant that was frequented by elites of the town. The municipal corporation constructed a huge public toilet in the plot adjoining A's famous restaurant. Does A have any remedy under tort law? The correct option is option number C. He has no remedy because he didn't own the plot. 103. Nothing connected with the internal disputes between shareholders is to be the subject of an action by a shareholder. This majority rule was laid down in the celebrated case of. So this is laid down. The majority rule is actually laid down in the case of Foss versus Harbottle. This is the option number C. Kindly remember this case law. This case law has been asked many a times along with other questions what we have just now dealt with. 104. The statutory formulation of directors' duties under Companies Act 2013 have been spelled out in. So directors' duties have been spelled out in section 166. Section 151 deals with appointment of director elected by small shareholders. Section 171 deals with members' right to inspect. Section 289 deals with power of tribunal on application for stay of winding up. 105. The first annual general meeting of a company must be held. So it must be held. The correct option is option number A. Within 9 months from the date of closing of the first financial year, and this is given under section 96, which deals with annual general meeting. 106. The provision of Companies Act 2013 relating to application to tribunal for prevention of operation and mismanagement is connected in. So the correct option is option number A. This is section 241. Let's see about the other section. Section 349 deals with official liquidator to make payments into public account of India. Section 361 deals with summary procedure for liquidation. Section 344 deals with statement that company is in liquidation. 107. A company shall be deemed to be unable to pay its debts. So when it shall be deemed that the company is unable to pay its debts. The correct option is option number D, when all these conditions are satisfied. Like if the company has failed to pay the sum within 21 days after the receipt of such demand, if any execution process issued on a decree in favor of a creditor is returned unsatisfied, if it is proved to the satisfaction of the tribunal that the company is unable to pay its debts. So this is given under section 434, company when deemed unable to pay its debts. 108. The preamble of the Indian Contract Act 1872 states that the correct option is option number A. It states, whereas it is expedient to define and amend certain parts of the law relating to contracts. 109. B accepts the proposal of A by posting a letter of acceptance to A. Okay, the above acceptance. So the above acceptance can be revoked by B before the letter of acceptance reaches A. 110. Section 2 clause T of Indian Contract Act says, when at the desire of the promisor, the promise or any other person has done or abstained from doing, or does or abstains from doing, or promises to do or abstain from doing something such act or abstinence or what dash is called for consideration for the promise. So such act or abstinence, or the correct option is option number C, promise. Act or abstinence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. Past consideration means, so it means the correct option is option number C, the price paid or service rendered at the desire of the promisor followed by a subsequent promise. 112. A promise to pay wholly or in part a debt of which the creditor might have enforced payment, but for the law of limitation of suits is the correct option is option number C, if it is made in writing and signed by the person to be charged therewith. 113. According to section 16 clause 1 Indian Contract Act, a contract is said to be induced by undue influence where the dash between the parties are such that one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other and uses that position to obtain an unfair advantage over the other. The correct option is option number A, relations subsisting, where the relations subsisting between the parties are such that. 114. A person is deemed to be in a position to dominate the will of another when all the conditions are satisfied. The correct option is option number D, all of the above. Where he holds an apparent authority over the other, where he holds a real authority over the other, where he makes a contract with a person whose mental capacities, temporarily or permanently affected by reason of age, illness or mental or bodily distress. 115. C. Let a music hall to X for a series of music concerts for certain days. The hall was completely destroyed by fire before the scheduled date of concerts. In this case, the correct option is option number C. The contract is discharged by impossibility of performance. 116. When any person enters into any bail bond, recognizance, etc., or under the provision of any law or under the government's order, gives any bond for the performance of any public duty or act, he shall be liable upon breach to pay. So the correct option is option number B, the whole sum mentioned therein, and this is given under section 74 of Indian Contract Act, which deals with compensation for breach of contract where penalty is stipulated for. 117. Which one of the following is a contingent contract? The correct option is option number A. A insures his factory against damage or destruction by fire. And this is an example of contingent contract which is given under section 31 of Indian Contract Act. 118. The remedies for breach of contract provided under the Indian Contract Act is or are. The correct option is option number B. So the damages, the relief of damages can be claimed under section 73 and 74 of Indian Contract Act. 119. Exceptions to the doctrine of privity of contract do not include. So what it doesn't include? The correct option is option number B, equitable mortgage. 120. B places an order with S for the supply of 20 sieving machines. S couldn't supply this in time. B loses a profitable contract due to this, a fact that was not communicated to S in brackets, and claims his loss of profit from S. But B doesn't succeed as the nature of the damage is. Why he cannot succeed? Because the nature of the damage is special, which is option number D. 121. The loss or damage arising from a breach of contract has to be ascertained. So when it has to be ascertained? The correct option is option number A, at the date of breach of contract. 122. A person who sues for damages under the law of contract, the correct option is option number A, has to mitigate the loss consequent upon the breach of contract, and this is given under Section 73 of Indian Contract Act, which deals with compensation for loss or damage caused by breach of contract. 123. Money paid under mistake or coercion is recoverable if there is. So if there is mistake of law as well as mistake of fact, and this is given, the correct option, which is both A and B are correct. 124. Hadley versus Baxendale is a leading case on. So it's a leading case on remoteness of damages, which is option number B. 125. Consensus ad idem means. It means meeting of minds. Option number B. 126. The display of articles in a showroom with prices amounts to. So it amounts to invitation to offer, which is option number C. 127. The contract of Uberima fights means. It means a contract of utmost good faith, which is option number C. 128. Which of the following is not a quasi contract? So the correct option is option number D. Novation is not a quasi contract. 129. A Hindu husband files a petition of divorce on the ground of his wife B's adultery. Since B doesn't have sufficient income to defend herself, she asks for maintenance pendant light. The main consideration to decide her claim is. The correct option is option number D, none of the above, because the wife cannot claim for maintenance when she is accused of adultery, and this is held under the case of Sanjeevani Ramchandra Kondalkar versus Ramchandra Bhimrao Kondalkar. 130. A and his son B constituted a Mitakshara co-parsony. A gives his only son B in adoption to C. After adoption, so B cannot carry his co-parsonary interest, which is totally true. 131. A Mitakshara joint family consists of father F, 2 minor sons S1 and S2, and a major daughter D after the death of the father in 2002. So the correct option is option number B. D cannot be the karta of the family. 132. A male guardian marries a female Hindu according to Hindu rites and ceremonies. A obtains a decree of judicial separation against B. Afterwards, B wants to adopt a Hindu son. Which of the following is correct? The correct option is option number C. B cannot adopt only after B can only adopt only after obtaining A's consent. See, the criteria is not given, is not mentioned in section 7 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, which deals with capacity of a male Hindu to take in adoption. Under classic Hindu law, a widow's estate was the estate in which a Hindu family had. The correct option is option number A, limited ownership. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 has territorial and extraterritorial applicability. It is given under option number C. 135. A Hindu male marries B, a Hindu female. At the time of marriage, B was suffering from unsoundness of mind on the ground of alleged disability. So the correct option is option number D. B can ask for a decree of nullity, as it is given under section 12, which deals with viable marriages. 136. Which of the following states was first to make daughter a co-parsoner? The correct option is option number B, which is Andhra Pradesh. 137. Conversion to another religion by a married Hindu under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The correct option is option number B. It doesn't automatically dissolve the marriage. 138. In the schedule of Hindu Succession Act 1956 as amended in September 2005, the number of heirs have been increased in. So the number of heirs have been increased in heirs of class 1 of this schedule. 139. Disqualification under section 25 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 is confined not only to the person who committed murder but also extends to the person claiming through him, which is option number C. 140. A male Christian adopts a Hindu child. The adoption is irregular, which is option number C. 141. A Sunni male Muslim marries B, a Sunni female Muslim who happens to be his first wife's sister. The marriage is irregular. 142. Who has no right to partition under Hindu law? The correct option is option number A, mother. 143. A right to divorce under section 13 clause 2 clause I of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 has been given to. So this right has been given to the first wife as well as the second wife or subsequent wife or wives, and this is given under option number C. 144. Bigamy under Hindu law is committed by a person who marries during the lifetime of his or her spouse, provided it is provided in the option number A and C. The first marriage should be valid, and C, the first marriage is voidable and no court's degree annulling first marriage has been obtained. So the correct option is option number D. 145. Fine prescribed under section 18 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 for child marriage may extend to. So it may extend to rupees 1 lakh. 146. Can a Hindu marry second time on the basis of written consent of his first wife? The correct option is option number B, which is no. 147. Marriages which are irregular under the Sunni law, under the Shia law, the same are void marriages. 148. The period of iddat in Muslim law is. So the period of iddat in Muslim law is a period of seclusion to be observed by a Muslim woman whose marriage has been dissolved by divorce or death, which is option number D. 149. Any member of parliament, member of legislative assembly or member of a legislative council who is convicted of a crime with more than 2 year sentence will be disqualified as an elective representative on the date of conviction. In which of the following verdict the Supreme Court opined, so which sent waves of panic amongst the government? The correct option is option number B, which is Lily Thomas versus Union of India. And see, there is an explanation which I have attached with the option number B, which is not correct. This explanation is actually related to option number C, which is ABC versus the state NCT of Delhi. In this case, it is held the right of an unmarried mother to be appointed as the sole guardian without informing the deserter father. Both of the case, Lily Thomas and the ABC case, are very much important, and both of the questions have been repeated in the examination. 150. The constitutionality of the Haryana Panchayati Raj Amendment Act 2015 was challenged. So it was challenged in Rajbala versus State of Haryana. 151. In RBI versus Jayanti Lal and Mistry, the court observed that. So the court observed, which is given in option number A, and this is RBI comes within ambit of Right to Information Act 2005. 152. Under the Biodiversity Act 2002, which of the following users of biodiversity is not exempted from the requirement of prior intimation to the State Biodiversity Board for the purpose of obtaining of bioresources for commercial exploitation? And this is given under option numbers, and the correct option is option number C, an organization registered in India. So only with regard to option number C, a permission has to be, intimation has to be given to the government, but in all of the three cases, no prior intimation has to be given for the sake of commercial exploitation. 153. In which of the following cases it was held that there is no reason to compel non-smokers to be helpless victims of air pollution? And this is given in option number A, Murali S. Deora versus Union of India. 154. The doctrine of public trust was propounded by the Supreme Court in the case of option number B, MC Mehta versus Kamal Nath. Indian Council for Enviro Legal Action versus Union of India deals with polluter pays principle MC Mehta case, see, both the year has, different years has been given. First is given 1997 and the second one is given 1988. So the 1997 case deals with Taj trapezium matter and the 1988 case deals with pollution of the Ganga river. 155. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010 was enacted as a response to. So it was enacted as a response to the 186th report of the Law Commission of India, which is option number C. 156. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is option number D. All moral rights cannot be claimed by legal representative of the author after his death. This is incorrect. 157. Who is the author in relation to a cinematograph film? The correct option is option number A, producer. And this is given under section 2, clause D, subclause 5 of the Copyright Act. 158. Which of the following statement is correct? So the correct option is option number B, which says copyright is protected only under Copyright Act 1957. 159. In Kapil Wadhwa versus Samsung Electronics Company Limited 2012, the Delhi High Court held that under Trademarks Act 1999, what it has actually held? The correct option is option number C. It has held the principle of international exhaustion of rights is applicable in India. 160. A new variety shall be registered under the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act 2001 if it conforms to the criteria of. So, according to answer key, the option is given option number B, which is novelty, inventiveness, uniformity and stability. But if I read the language of this section 15, which deals with registrable variety, it says novelty, distinctiveness, uniformity, inventiveness and stability. 161. Which of the following is patentable under the Patents Act 1970? The correct option is option number A, which is microorganisms, and this is given under section 3 clause J of Patents Act. It deals with what inventions are not patentable. 162. Who appoints Secretary General of the UN? So the correct option is General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council, which is option number B. 163. The right to exploit living organisms belonging to sedentary species can be exercised in. So it can be exercised only in continental shelf only. The correct option is option number D. Which of the following elements is essential for a practice to become custom? So for a practice to become custom, the elements that should be there is option number C, which is opinion juris sive necessitates. It means an opinion of law necessity. Just cogents, we have just now seen the meaning of this maxim, which is a principle, the norms of international law that cannot be set aside. Pacta sunt servanda, it's a principle refers to private contracts tracing that contain clauses and law between the parties and implies that non-fulfillment of respective obligations is a breach of the pact. Rebus sic stantibus, it deals with the unenforceability of a treaty due to fundamentally changed circumstances. 165. The reports of the Office of High Commissioner of Human Rights OHCHR investigation on Sri Lanka of 16 September 2015, it has been recommended to try war crimes and crimes against humanity, including sexual crimes and crimes committed against children by. So, it is actually recommended that this crime shall be investigated by an ad hoc hybrid special court, which is option number B. 166. Find out the incorrect match from the following. So the incorrect match is option number B, Islands of Palmas case. In the option it is given Netherlands versus Spain. So the real parties are Netherlands versus US. 167. Which of the following is a specialized agency of the United Nations? So the correct option is option number B, World Intellectual Property Organization. 168. Which of the following statements is incorrect about Hugo Grotius? The correct option is option number C, he was a positive. It was totally incorrect. 169. An individual can file a petition before Human Rights Committee only if his or her country is a party to the correct option is option number C, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. 170. Dash imposed a duty of non-recognition of all territorial acquisitions brought about in breach of international law. The correct option is option number C. This is known as Stimson Doctrine. Let's see about the meaning of the other doctrine, Incorporation Doctrine. So it's a doctrine, it's a constitutional doctrine through which the first 10 amendments, which is also known as Bill of Rights of the United States Constitution, are made applicable to the states through the due process clause of the 14th Amendment. Estrada Doctrine. So it means that Mexico should not make positive or negative judgments about the governments or changes in government of other nations because such an action would imply a breach of their sovereignty. Blackstonian Doctrine. It's a principle that courts do not create the law but merely discover and announce it. 171. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is option number C. Ordinarily, the recognition operates prospectively and not retrospectively. This is incorrect. 172. Which of the following is mentioned as a source of international law under Article 38, Clause 1 of the Statute of International Court of Justice? The correct option is option number B, the teachings of the most highly qualified publicists of the various nations. So these are a source of international law which is given under Article 38 Clause 1 of Statute of International Court of Justice. 173. What is the status of the decisions of the International Court of Justice? So what is the status of its decision? The correct option is option number B. The decisions of ICJ have no binding force except between the parties and in respect of that particular case, and this is given under Article 59. 174. Which of the following statement is not correct? So the correct option is option number C. UN Secretary General appoints judges of this ICJ, International Court of Justice. 175. A state is admitted into the membership of UN on the recommendation of the admitted on the recommendation of the Security Council. And so this is the end of the slide. I hope you all love this session. I would be very much grateful to you if you leave any feedback or comments in the comment section below. Like, what do you expect more from this channel? And also we will be soon launching our own test paper so that you could test and analyze your performance before going to the exam. So on this note, I'm signing off. Have a great day.